You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. If you look at this price right here, Bitcoin is about to break out below the 19.7k level, and what is in for us as traders if we see a big crash below the 19k? And on the 4-hour chart, in my previous video I said market is going to bounce to the upside between the 19,700 and the 19,400 level, and exact same thing, market move a little bit to the upside but could not get to this very resistance. And right now, what are we expecting at this area of support? The same thing on ETH. What is our expectation? I'm going to talk about that in a moment, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you look at the 1-day chart, I've been talking about this level just like I've been talking about this very area before, this very move to the downside. And right now, if you are following the analysis on this channel, please, I want to say, take note of this very level of 19k, because the market have high probability, just like I've been talking about, of crashing to the downside than moving to the upside. And right now, what I am paying attention to is a breakout of the 19k level. Once I see that, I'm going to open a massive short position for Bitcoin for the market to move to the downside. And this is what you should also pay attention to and look at it in line with your technical analysis. And right now, I am expecting market to go back down below the 19k level. A breakout here will further confirm this very analysis. So in the long term, expect the market to move down, approach the level of 19k. A breakout on this is going to be a massive fall for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. And on the immediate short term, I was talking about market moving to the upside and approach this very level, but we did not see the market approach this level, although we see a little move to the upside. Right now, on the immediate short term, on the 4-hour chart, is you have to look at this very level of support, because from technical, this level is going to break, and once it breaks, market is going to move right to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting right now, guys. I'm expecting the market to break this level of support. Once this level break right here, we're going to see the market move into this level of 19k level. And remember, this is the 4-hour chart. So after a breakout on this level with a significant bearish candle to the downside, it is advisable to place a short position for market to move right to the downside. And I'm going to give this trade specifically in the Telegram group. Link to the Telegram group is in the description of this video. It is a free group. Join right now. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart, I've been talking about market coming back now. You look at it, this very area, I said market is going to come down from this very point to this very area of support. But right now we see this minor correction. What I am paying attention to right now is market coming back down. And that is my expectation. That means it is a nice thing to take a short position from this area where the market is right now for the next move to the downside. That is immediately after the close of this very bearish candle. I am expecting market to move to the downside. What is your prediction on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin? Do you think market is going to break on this level and will move to this very level of 19k level approximately? What do you think about the market? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. So leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below this video to claim those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.